What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to talk about Zoho Books. Zoho Books is an online accounting software for businesses offering features like invoicing, expense tracking, inventory management, project time tracking, and tax compliance tools. It simplifies financial management with end-to-end accounting capabilities, easy collaboration, and customizable templates, ideal for small businesses seeking an affordable solution for efficient accounting tasks. Now, let's take a look at its key features. Zoho Books offers a robust invoice management feature that allows users to create professional invoices using customizable templates. Businesses can accept payments in multiple currencies, automate payment reminders and follow-ups, set up recurring invoices for regular customers, verify transactions before sending them out, and secure invoices with digital signatures. This feature streamlines the invoicing process and helps maintain a professional image while ensuring timely payments and accurate record keeping. With the customer portal feature, Zoho Books provide a secure platform for storing customer payment information and enabling customers to manage transactions and interact in real time. Customers can access estimates on projects, leave reviews, and enjoy self-service options that enhance their overall experience. This feature fosters better communication and engagement between businesses and their customers, leading to improved satisfaction and loyalty. Zoho Books allows users to import bank statements directly into the system for easy reconciliation. Transactions are automatically categorized, helping businesses maintain clear records of tax payments and dues. This feature streamlines the reconciliation process, reduces manual errors, and ensures accurate financial records for better decision-making. Zoho Books offers accounting automation features that help streamline processes such as expense creation and categorization. Users can integrate with various payment gateways for online payments and automate payment reminders to ensure timely collections. This automation saves time, reduces manual effort, and improves efficiency in managing financial tasks within the software. Accessing over 70 business reports for insights and decision-making is made easy with Zoho Books' Accounting Financial Reports feature. Users can schedule and share reports with their team members, facilitating collaboration and informed decision-making. Additionally, automatic tax calculations and reconciliation features ensure tax compliance, providing businesses with accurate financial data for strategic planning and compliance purposes. Now, let's take a look at its drawbacks. One potential drawback of Zoho Books is the limited flexibility in customizing the format of invoice numbers. Businesses with specific numbering conventions may find the system restrictive as it may not offer extensive options for intricate numbering requirements. While users can adjust the default invoice number format by adding a prefix and setting the next number, more complex customization needs could pose challenges for business seeking highly tailored invoicing solutions. Another consideration is the learning curve associated with using Zoho Books, particularly for users new to accounting software. While the platform boasts a user-friendly interface, mastering all its features and functionalities may require time and effort, potentially slowing down initial implementation and adoption. Zoho Books, despite its feature-rich offerings, may present integration challenges for smaller businesses. The uniform user interface across all service tiers could be overwhelming for some users, and difficulties in integrating with third-party applications might disrupt seamless data flow, necessitating manual workarounds that could impact operational efficiency. In conclusion, Zoho Books is a comprehensive online accounting software solution that streamlines financial management for businesses. Despite some drawbacks like limited customization in invoice numbering and integration challenges for smaller businesses, its user-friendly interface, customizable templates, and automation features make it a valuable tool for small to medium-sized enterprises. By balancing its strengths with potential limitations, businesses can leverage Zoho Books to simplify accounting processes and ensure financial transparency and compliance. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.